Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying out some new Anastasia Beverly Hills products. I have the new Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. I also have the new Amrezy highlighter. And I also have a new liquid lipstick to show you today. So if you are interested in seeing how I created this makeup look using those new products, then please keep on watching. So as you can see, I went ahead and did my face makeup. I did my foundation, powder, concealer, and I also went ahead and did my eyebrows. Just to save a little bit of time, I will have all the products that I used on my face today listed down below. So let's go ahead and start with the eyes. So today I have the new Anastasia Soft Glam eyeshadow palette. You guys, this palette is stunning. It's gorgeous. It's a neutral eyeshadow palette. So here is the packaging of the palette. It's that velvet feel, just like the Modern Renaissance, Subculture, and Prism palette. It's the exact same packaging except for this one is a tan color. I already stained mine. I know these palettes are really hard to not stain because they are that velvet material, so they're really pretty. I just can't stand that these get really dirty fast. Here is the palette. There's a total of 14 eyeshadows in this palette. There's 1 satin, 5 metallic shimmer shades, and 8 mattes. First, I'm taking the shade Orange Soda. I'm just going to put this color all over my crease. Now I'm taking the shade Burnt Orange, and I'm applying the shade right on top. Now I'm picking up the shade Sienna. Then I'm blending that out. Now I'm picking up the shade Mulberry, which is a rich brick shade. I'm picking it up with my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm focusing that right in my outer V. Ahead and take some of this NYX glitter glue. That way the shimmery shades that I'm gonna apply on my eye will be more vibrant and glittery and just stick onto my eye a lot better. I'm just gonna apply it to where I didn't put any of the dark eyeshadows. Now I'm taking the shade Sultry. I'm applying this right on top of where I added that primer. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Cypress Umber, sticking that right in the crease. Corner, I'm going to take the shade Fairy. Go in with a little bit of bronze. I really want to play with this shade. I'm just going to stick it in the center. For lashes, I'm just using the Miss 3D Silk Lash in M314. These are just my absolute favorite. Talk about them almost in every video. A lot of people have been asking me what lashes I've been using lately, and it's these babies. They're only $3.99. I purchased mine at a local beauty supply store, but they are available on Amazon. So I'll have that link down below so you can check those out. They actually come in packs of 4s, I believe, for like 13 bucks, which I think is a really awesome deal. So Take a little bit of burnt orange and run this on my lower lash line. Take a little bit of sienna. And I'm going to take the shade Mulberry. So there's one last step. And okay, so I know some of y'all have been watching me for a while, and y'all know that I love black eyeliner on my waterline. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm actually taking this Anastasia waterproof cream color in the shade Honey. It's just a nude color. So I actually want to apply some of this to my waterline because I don't own any nude eyeliner pencils. I know I used to have like a few. I think I have like 3. And they're completely missing. I could not find them. So I thought it would be a good idea to use this on my waterline just so I can try out something different. I don't know. I used to do this a long time ago, like in high school. It just opens up your eyes, makes your eyes look a lot bigger and a lot brighter. So I am going to apply a little bit of this, just applying it on a little angled brush. And I'm just going to put that right in my waterline. I'm done with my eyes. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face. One of the things that I completely forgot to purchase when I purchased the eyeshadow palette and the highlighter, I forgot to purchase the bronzer. So Anastasia just recently came out with some new bronzers to their collection, which I think is amazing, but I forgot to get one. I guess I was just so focused on getting the eyeshadow palette and the highlighter that I forgot to purchase a bronzer. I will be trying that bronzer out in the near future, but I wish I would have had that bronzer to have tried it out for you on camera today, but I don't have it. So for bronzer, I am going to use this Physicians Formula Bronze Booster. This is in the shade medium to dark. This is a really, really nice bronzer. I'm going to take this e.l.f. brush and just swirl it in there and bronze up my face. I'm going to apply this on my forehead as well, on my hairline. So I am going to contour just a little bit. I'm going to take my Kokie Professional Contour Palette, and I'm going to take the center shade and a little bit of the darker shade and just contour ever so lightly. So just a little bit. Take an angled eyeshadow brush. I'm going to pick up the center shade again, which is this one right here, and just contour my nose. Blush, I'm going to take this Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party. I actually got this in my birthday gift from Sephora last year. And I haven't really played around with this blush. I think I used it once in a tutorial and I never used it again. So I'm going to use it today. Just to give a little bit of flush to my cheeks. Alright, now for my most crucial step that I do every time I do my makeup. I'm going to take the Milani Soleil Baked Bronzer and just apply it on my cheeks. Just to give it a little bit more of a bronzy glow. And I also apply this on my forehead and nose. And I mean, you can totally see, like, it's not too crazy. It's just a little bit of a glow. I just think it really does make a difference. I just love this bronzer. I cannot live without this. This is a must-have. That just gives you a luminous finish to your skin. I just really, really love that bronzer. Now we're down to the last 2 steps. So I have my lips and my highlight. I'm going to save the highlight for last. For lipstick, I'm going to take one of these mini lipsticks from this Anastasia liquid lipstick set. They are so cute. I actually purchased this at TJ Maxx for $14.99. I'm so happy I got my hands on these because these 3 shades were exclusive for the holidays, but they now recently just came out with full sizes in their permanent liquid lipstick line. So I'm really, really excited about that. So right here we have Dazed, Bittersweet, and Hudson. I'm going to go in with Hudson today because it is the nude shade in the little set. So what else is new? It's so pretty. It's pinky nude shade. First, I'm going to line my lips with my BH Cosmetics lip liner in nude. Oh my goodness, I love this nude shade. Anastasia definitely needed a nude like this in their collection. For highlight, I do have the new Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. I cannot wait to put this on my face. Here is the compact that it comes in. It's very nice and luxurious looking. I really, really do love this packaging. It has a little button right here that you can push for it to open. And here is the highlighter. It also has a really, really nice mirror. I really love this packaging. I hope Anastasia comes out with more single highlighters like this because I just love this. It's going to look so pretty displayed on your makeup vanity. So I'm going to use my Up and Up brush from Target. This is actually a dupe for the Anastasia highlighting brush. And I'm going to dip into this highlighter and just apply it on my cheeks. Wow, so pretty. Look at that glow. Here is the finished makeup look. I really, really loved how it turned out. So, let me give you a little rundown on the products. So, starting with the eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette is beautiful. Okay, so ever since the Subculture palette came out, I've been a little bit iffy on Anastasia's eyeshadows because, as most of y'all know, this eyeshadow palette is not that great. There has been so much controversy on this eyeshadow palette when it first came out. So there are some shades that I do like from this palette. I love New Wave. I love Roxy. I really like Dawn. But as most of y'all know, there's a lot of fallout in this and they're very powdery. Some of the darker shades are just horrible to work with. But then they came out with the Prism eyeshadow palette, which I love. If you get the chance to purchase this eyeshadow palette, I do believe it's on sale right now, but I think they're going to discontinue it because it was limited edition. If you have the chance to get this eyeshadow palette, definitely get it. So pretty. The colors are so nice. The combination, they just do a really, really great job with the combo of colors in eyeshadow palettes because I would have never thought to put those colors together. So ever since this eyeshadow palette came out and I tried it out and I just fell in love with it, I knew that this palette was going to be just as good. So I just think the Subculture palette is just the only one that is off on their formulation. But this formula is just as good as the Prism and the Modern Renaissance. There are some repeats in this eyeshadow palette. For example, Tempera and Cypress Umber are in the Modern Renaissance. And a few other ones were in other eyeshadow palettes that are no longer available. They were limited edition. The colors in here are just so easy to blend. They're so pretty. Honestly, I think this would be like the perfect bridal eyeshadow palette. It's your neutral eyeshadow palette, but it has a little bit of a twist. I don't know. I don't have any eyeshadow palettes that look just like this one. The combination of colors in here are just so beautiful. So I really, really love this eyeshadow palette. As for the liquid lipstick, I am wearing Hudson. Like I said, these 3 shades were available for the holidays. That's why they were in little minis. But then just recently when they launched the eyeshadow palette and the highlighter and the bronzers, they launched new liquid lipstick shades, and these are now permanent shades to their collection. I am wearing the shade Hudson, which is the lightest shade in this little lipstick set. I am obsessed with this nude shade. It did get a little bit darker when I applied it. Usually a lot of liquid lipsticks do that. But I love this liquid lipstick. It's so pretty. I do own most of her nude liquid lipsticks, and none of them are like this one. So I'm really happy that she came out with a nude like this one because it's so pretty. I'm definitely going to pick up the full size of that. It is that Anastasia liquid lipstick formula. It can be a little bit drying, so if you have really dry lips, you probably won't like this formula. But if you exfoliate and moisturize and all that, it will help a lot with your lips. So I know a lot of people have problems with their liquid lipsticks crumbling throughout the day, especially with the Anastasia formula. But if you exfoliate and moisturize, that will definitely help with the longevity of your liquid lipsticks. Now, as for the Amrezy highlighter, I love this highlighter. It's so beautiful. Like I said, I love the compact. I love everything about this highlighter. The mirror inside of it, it's perfect. I just love this highlighter. It's that golden pearl highlighter. I feel like this will go great with a lot of different skin tones. As most of y'all know, I love a beaming highlighter, but you can definitely have a light hand with this. So when I first started applying it, I noticed right off the bat that it wasn't super beaming right as when you apply it. You can definitely build it up, and if you like a more subtle highlighter, you can definitely get that with this highlighter. I really love this, and I hope Anastasia comes out with some more single highlighters like this. I don't know if this is just an exclusive because she's collaborating with Amrezy, but I really love this formula, and I love the packaging of this. So I just think this is a must-have highlighter in everybody's collection, especially if you love golden toned highlighters. Whether you know who Amrezy is or not, I think this highlighter is just really great. We have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching me try out some new Anastasia products. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment down below letting me know what products you want to try out, and if you've already tried them out, let me know what your thoughts and opinions on these products are. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I upload videos every week. I want to do up to 2 to 3 videos a week. This past week I didn't get to upload a video because it was my birthday week, and it was also my sister's birthday, so there was a bunch of things going on that week that I didn't get the chance to upload a video. But I will definitely be uploading up to 2 to 3 times a week. That's my goal. So if you are interested in seeing any more videos, please subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to click that little bell button to get notified every time I upload a video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Alright, for blush, I'm going to take this Tarte. I can't read. Okay. Dime hambre. Poquito. Vamos a hacer un salad. ¿Te hago una salada? Ahorita lo hago yo. ¿Tú qué vas a comer? Está buena. Okay. Now, as for the Amrezy highlighter, I love this highlighter. I'm looking at the ice cream, and there's butter pecan. Is that what you want? Is that the only one that's left? Chocolate chunk? Ooh, get me that one. I want that one. Horrible.